Hey guys, my name is Sean Frost. I'm a student at ETSU in elementary education, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about dividing fractions. So, there's one way that dividing fractions can be made easy, and let's use an example. So, we have 10 over 30 divided by 2 over 3. And you can see it right there. So in my placement right now, we've kind of been going over dividing fractions when we've done it for a little while. But one of the sayings my mentor teacher has for all the students is, when dividing fractions, don't ask why, flip the second and multiply. So let's try that right now. Let's rewrite our problem. So we have 10 over 30 times 3 over 2. Okay, so sometimes for students, I've noticed in my placement that it can be confusing to them because they want to flip the first number. So they would write it like this. And that's incorrect. So whenever they do this, we reiterate the saying, when dividing fractions, don't ask why, flip the second and multiply. So let's go back to our original. I'm going to rewrite it. 10 over 30 times 3 over 2. Okay, and then in multiplying fractions, it's just straight across. So we have 30 over 2, or 30 over 60. Okay, so 30 over 60 simplifies easily to 1 over 2. And it's easy as that. Another thing that kind of confuses students that I've noticed is whenever you model dividing fractions, they want to use the saying, they want to flip the second and multiply. Well, in that case, you can't flip the second and multiply. If you're teaching dividing fractions using a model such as a number line and using skip hops, I would definitely take a little closer look at my students' work, because I guarantee there's going to be at least 2 or 3 that flip the second and try to multiply to get the right answer. But I'm going to demonstrate how to do dividing fractions one more time. So let's say we have 1 over 2 divided by 14 over 20. Okay, so first thing let's do, let's rewrite our problem. So we have 1 over 2 and change our sign. So we're not doing division anymore, we're going to multiply. 20 over 14. So we have, let's multiply straight across. So we have 20 over 28. Let's see. So let's simplify it. Right off the bat, I noticed 2 will go into both. So let's try that. So we have 20 divided by 2 is 10. 28 divided by 2 is 14. Okay, so we can go a little bit further to simplify it. 2 will go into both of them again. So we have 5. As 2 will go into 10 5 times, and 7. And that's a simplified fraction, because 2 will go into 14 7 times. Okay, so if you're watching this video, I hope it helped with, if you're a student or you're a teacher, giving you a strategy to maybe use with your class for dividing fractions. The saying flip the second and multiply has been a huge help, because that's something they remember every single time. And I encourage your I encourage you, if you're a teacher, to write it down on a piece of paper so you don't forget it, and have your students write it down on a piece of paper so they don't forget. All right. Thanks, guys.